Hey everybody, it's Natasha with the Food Factor, and today I am making pumpkin spice latte. Cue the fall leaves. Okay, now it's time to actually make pumpkin spice latte. So we're going to combine milk, our pumpkin puree, we are doing our pumpkin spice, vanilla, and sugar. Stir that up and just mix it together and make sure you break up all of your pumpkin spice. Then you need to take plastic wrap and cover your bowl, and you're gonna put just a few tiny holes to help vent. Now it's time to go into the microwave. And you're going to whisk. And I have my hot coffee, so we're gonna pour it over into my mug. And now we're gonna pour our mixture over. A little bit of pumpkin spice. And you're ready to have a great latte.